Counter class. Counterand timer. How to use the counter. Open editor sh. Click counter. First of all, there are 4 functions on the left side. Set counter, down counter, clear counter and set current value. Set counter refers to increasing the current count value. Down counter refers to subtracting the current count value. The clear counter, if the counter needs to be counted again, after meeting the counting conditions. Here we need to add a clear counter. The current value will become O. Set current value it is to forcibly change the current value of the original count to the set current value. Only when tick the current value, we can use the use address below. Use address can be understood as an internal memory device of the robot. Generally, we will use address in remote communication. The values can be selected from 800 to 899. We can edit the name of new counter on the right. After entering the name, click New Counter. Current refers to the current value counted by the counter. Target refers to the desired number of times the target value. Enter the numerical value we want in the box below. The pure count on the far right is a no target count. Its working mode. After ticking, it only needs to run the command once. It will +1 once. When not using a counter, tick the counter and click the delete button on the right. Now let's write a program that applies set counter. First, create a new counter and set the target value to 3. Here we use condition jump to demonstrate this counter. Insert to definition labels, and between them, insert the newly created counter. Tick set counter and insert. Return to use flag interface and tick the counter below. Here we can see the counter we just created. There are conditions here that are less than the target value, greater than or equal to the target value, and so on. We choose when the current count value of the counter is less than the target value, the program jump to flag 001. Don't tick the auto clear counter next to it. Then insert another counter with a current value greater than or equal to the target value and jump to the condition of label 101. Here we inserted a clear counter before the end of the module to make this program run continuously in a loop. And I added to simple delays at the start position and before clearing the counter to make the demonstration more effective. Next, let's turn to auto mode and see the effect. When the counter reaches the target value of 3, it will jump to flag 101 for a delay, and the counter will be clear after 5 seconds. Have you learned about it? Above is the Counter class, introduction, and use of counter. Any questions about the content? Welcome to ask questions in the comments. Follow me for more technical information.